Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing a simple rice noodles recipe with you. The ingredients for today's recipes are mixed vegetables, peppers, this is the cooked glass noodles, 3 sausages, chopped ginger, onions, chili peppers, the green and the red one, and cooked prawns. Let's get started. I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's very important to cook everything at a high heat. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are very welcome. Consider subscribing so you don't miss out on my new recipes. I'm going in now with the chopped onion and I will stir 1 to 2 minutes before adding the cooked prawn. Going in now with the all-purpose seasoning, about a teaspoon, and keep stirring. Feel free to use chicken breast or fish for this recipe.